How are you? Today we will talk about water. All living things need to water for survive, to live and grow. Without water, we cannot survive. Today we will discuss various uses of water, sources of water and how to save water. First, we will talk various uses of water. Life without water is impossible. So, why need to water? Let's see. We need to water for drinking. We need to water for washing hand. We need to water for cooking. We need to water for bathing. We need to water for washing utensils. We need to water for washing clothes. We need to water for planting or gardening. We need to water for brushing teeth. We need water for irrigation and farming. Many animals live in water like starfish, jellyfish, crab, fish. Animals also need water. So children, we need to water for drinking, cooking, washing hands, brushing teeth, bathing, washing clothes, washing utensils, irrigation and farming, and animals also need water. Many animals live in water. Next, we discuss sources of water. We get water mainly from rainwater. We also get water from lakes, ponds, rivers and groundwater. Water is precious. Do not waste water. Water is not renewed. So children, save water, save life. How to save water? 1. Turn off tap after each use. Number 2. Use wet cloth at the time of cleaning car and bike. 3. Wash fruits and vegetables in a bowl. 4. Reuse RO water. Some more point. Make sure water taps are completely turned off. Don't use toilet as a garbage bin. Turn off water tap while brushing your teeth. Run the washing machine only with a full load. Rainwater can be harvested and stored to water in your garden. So, save water, save life, save earth.